商会刘崇基会长 JCI Kuala Lumpur West Chartered President Senator Tang JCI Past President, Outgoing President Zoe Chua, JCI Senators, all the non-presidents, distinguished guests, members, sponsors, good evening. Thank you for coming to this installation and witness the celebration. It is my honor to be given this opportunity to be served as the chapter president of JCI Kuala Lumpur West 2012. This is a time for the team to support each other, to trust one another, and be there for each other. By keeping the faith in myself, in my team, I believe we can do wonders. I believe that we can make a difference. As the 2012 presidential team of JCI Kuala Lumpur West is met, make a difference. Let us leverage on the platform of JCI to make a difference in 4 areas: the individual, community, business, and international. When we make a difference, we make meaning. Rather than money, that's when it means the most. And that should be the message that we carry throughout this year. I look forward to spend this year by bringing our passion into action, by inspiring each other and working hard together to fulfill our shared dreams.